The owner of Afterpay is facing serious allegations. The Perth gaming king joins the mega rich list. And Jack Daniels in a dogfight. Welcome to Trading Up, a collaboration by the West Australian and Grapher. I'm Colin Ebsworth. This episode is brought to you by Stake, Australia's most recommended broker. Shares of Afterpay's parent company Block are being shorted, which means being driven down amid claims the company has facilitated sex trafficking and drug dealing. A scathing report by a US short seller has accused Block of a whole range of activities, from lying about its users to turning a blind eye while criminals used its Cash App to pay for crime. Block denies the allegations and is now looking at taking legal action against the short seller. The co-founder of Block, Jack Dorsey, who also co-founded Twitter, has seen his personal wealth tank by more than $780 million in a single day. The ASX closed slightly lower to end the week. The major banks CBA, NAB, Westpac and ANZ all closing lower by Friday's trade. Shares of Latitude Financial rose today as the company begins to rebuild from what's being described as the worst cyber attack on Australia's financial service sector ever. Latitude lost almost 330,000 records in what is being described as a sophisticated and malicious cyber attack. And Perth's online gaming king, Lawrence Escalante, has joined the list of Australia's mega rich. The founder of Virtual Gaming Worlds is now worth about $3 billion. He's the youngest West Australian on the list at around 40 years old. And what does a young rich guy do with all that money? Well, he's now sponsoring Ferrari for the Formula One. Gina Rinehart is Australia's richest person with a net worth of just over $37 billion. And a spotlight on Chinese social media juggernaut TikTok. The CEO was grilled by the US politicians who are considering banning the hugely popular app. The US regulators said they have concerns over data security and harmful content. But the TikTok CEO said that ByteDance, the parent of TikTok, is not an agent of China or any other country. And finally, a dogfight is underway between Jack Daniels and a company that made a look-alike chew toy for dogs. The bourbon maker says the toy infringes on its trademark. But, like a dog with a bone, the toy company has gone all the way to the US Supreme Court in a showdown. For comparison, the bottle of liquor says 40% alcohol by volume, while the Bad Spaniel Silly Squeaker chew toy reads 43% poo by volume and 100% smelly. Interesting that Jack Daniels thinks that's too similar. You can find more news content on thewest.com.au. Or to see all the data and insights behind this video, check out grapher.com. Thanks for joining me on this special episode of Trading Up. I'm Colin Ebsworth. We'll see you next time.